Hello, my dear students in grade 2. How are you? I hope you're all fine. Last week you learned about communities. And as you know that community is a group of people living in the same place. Today you will learn about community laws and rules. Each community has a set of rules or laws, and all people in a community must follow these laws. What is law, teacher? Law is a rule that people must follow. Law is a rule that people must follow. Law is a rule that people must follow. And it is important to follow laws because they make a community a safe place to live in. So, laws make a community safe place to live in. Laws make a community safe place to live in. Who make laws, teacher, in our community or in our city? Government leaders. Laws are made by government. Laws are made by government. Laws are made by government. And also you have to know that the members or people like you and me who live in a community are called citizens. What is citizen, teacher? Citizen is a member of a community. Citizen is a member of a community. Citizen is a member of a community. Also, you have to know that every citizen has rights and responsibilities. What right, teacher? Right is something you should have. Right is something you should have, like to be safe, to go to school, and to have fun. All of these are rights you should have. And also, you have responsibilities. Responsibility is something you should do, like following the laws. It is your responsibility to follow the laws. If I ask you true or false, every citizen has rights and responsibilities, you will say true. Okay. Also, my dear students, there are some rules made by someone, like teacher, principal, and dad or mom at home. These are called rules, not laws. How, teacher? How? Let's learn the difference between laws and rules. As I said before, that laws are made by government leaders. And if you break or don't follow the law, you will receive the punishment or the consequence by police officers, like the traffic road laws. But rules tell people how to act and what you are allowed to do and what you are not allowed to do. And rules can be found in places like your school or your house. And if you don't follow the rule, you will receive the punishment by your dad or mom at home or your teacher at school. Like what, teacher? If your dad told you don't play with the ball at home and you don't follow the rule, who will give you the punishment? You will receive the punishment from the police officer? Of course no. You will receive the punishment from your dad or mom. So now the difference between laws and rules, that laws are made by government, and if you don't follow the law, you will receive the punishment by police officers. But rules made by someone like teacher or the principal or dad or mom at home. And if you don't follow the rule, you will receive the punishment by your teacher at school or your dad or mom at home. And that's all your lesson, and thank you for listening.